I'd like to demonstrate our rotating removable table that we use universally through our models. This example here is for our GT model. So I can actually just pull this around and rotate it. I can spin this, but I can also adjust the height. I've got a knob down here on the lower section that I can loosen up, and I can actually adjust the height. So if I want it up higher or lower, and then I just simply tighten that. Now if I need to remove that, I can just fully loosen that up and lift it up, and I can remove this. Now I can actually take this table into the rear of my coach and use it back there as well. Now that I've brought my table back here in front of the lounge, all I have to do is slide it into this device right here, the fastening piece or base. Get it started there. Slide it down, and then just tighten this lever right here. And again, now I can rotate this. So if I'm sitting back here and I'm on this side, I can bring it right in front of me. Or if I wanted to share between all seatings, I could rotate it like that. Very nice. Now if I wanted to remove this and fully store it, again, all I have to do is loosen this up. Once I loosen this up, now I can remove this and I can properly store it as well.